Battery Replacement Tutorial for Extended Battery Module of Online High-Density UPS Series. Important notice: before battery replacement, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, pull the left side of the front panel to remove. Loosen the 4 screws. And pull the handle to open the battery access door. Disconnect the black pins. Loosen the screws on the red connector and blue connector respectively. Then, disconnect the red and blue connectors. Loosen the screws from the battery retention brackets. Remove the battery retention brackets. Pull the plastic tags to remove the battery packs. Replace with new ones. Reinstall the battery retention brackets. Tighten the 2 screws on the battery retention brackets. Connect the red and blue connectors. Tighten the screws on the red connector and blue connector respectively. Then, connect the black pins. Close the battery access door. And tighten the 4 screws. Reinstall the front panel. Now that you've completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. You can run a battery test by using the UPS LCD panel. First, when the UPS is in line mode, press the Enter button to access the Setup menu. Press the arrow button to scroll down to the Diagnostics icon. And press Enter twice to activate the battery test. The test will start to run. The UPS will be in battery mode for a while. When you see the UPS working normally, you will know the battery test is complete. Finally, reset the battery replacement date using the PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card. Please note that both options can also offer remote UPS battery test.